This comet does not belong here. It was not born around our sun. It did not spend billions of years circling through the same cold outskirts as the rest of our comets. It came from somewhere else entirely, crossing the dark space between stars. And now it has passed through our solar system only once. Its name is 3I/Atlas. The 3 means it is the third confirmed interstellar object ever seen. The I means interstellar, and that alone makes it one of the rarest things humanity has ever watched move through space. Before this, we had only seen 2 others, Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. That is it. Out of everything in the sky, out of all the objects we have tracked, only 3 confirmed visitors have ever been caught arriving from another star system. And 3I/Atlas may be the strangest one yet. Astronomers first reported it in July 2025 after the Atlas Survey telescope in Chile detected it moving through the inner solar system. Almost immediately, its path gave it away. It was moving too fast and on the wrong kind of orbit to belong to the sun. Its trajectory was hyperbolic, meaning it was not trapped here. It was just passing through. For millions, maybe billions of years, this object drifted through interstellar space. Then, by chance, it entered our neighborhood, raced inward, swung past the sun, and kept going. It came closest to the sun at the end of October 2025, passing about 1.4 astronomical units away, just around the orbit of Mars. It never threatened Earth. Even at its closest, it stayed about 1.8 astronomical units from us. But safety is not what makes this object important. What makes it important is that this may be the closest thing we have ever had to a sample from another planetary system without leaving home. A comet is not just ice and dust. It is a time capsule. It preserves chemicals from the era when its star system formed. So, when astronomers study an interstellar comet, they are not just looking at one weird rock. They are looking at the leftovers of another sun. And when they looked closely at 3I/Atlas, they found something even stranger. Using ALMA, astronomers detected an unusually strong amount of methanol around the comet, far more than is typical in most comets from our own solar system. They also traced complex outgassing, including methanol released not only from the nucleus, but from icy grains in the coma around it. That matters because chemistry is a fingerprint. The gases coming off this comet may reveal the kind of environment it formed in, how cold that environment was, and how different that lost system may have been from our own. In other words, 3I/Atlas is not just passing by. It is carrying evidence from a place we will probably never visit. That is what makes this so powerful. This was not an asteroid with a funny orbit. It was an active comet from another star system, dragging a glowing coma behind it as it crossed ours. A real interstellar visitor, a piece of another planetary past, and it is already leaving. No one knows when the next comes. 3I/Atlas is on its way back out into the dark, and once it is gone, it will never come back. No second pass, no long return. Just one brief crossing through our part of the galaxy, then silence again between the stars. Which means for a short moment, our solar system was not closed. Something from another sun entered it, crossed it, and left. And all we could do was look up, measure the trail it shed behind it, and realize that for a brief instant, we were staring at chemistry, ice, and dust that formed in a world that was never ours.